Billy Mays here with another fantastic product. It's the U-Touch. I mean, this thing's amazing. Click the button, slide it, and you pick what you want to do. It's that simple. And you know, this thing, it's got so many different apps, you can do whatever you want with it. You know, you want to be a Jedi, you can be a Jedi. Phone saver. You pick your color, and you just go at it. You want to look cool at the parties, you want to drink beer, but you don't want to drink beer. You want to impress the ladies, but you don't want to get drunk. This is the app for you. You click the app, you click the button, you fill your beer up, you drink, you look cool, and you don't get drunk. And order right now. Go into your mom's purse, take her credit card, she won't care. 10 easy payments of $109.